sat at her kitchen table, staring at a stack of bills. Tears welled up in her eyes as she realized her paycheck wouldn't cover the rent, let alone the mounting credit card debt. She felt hopeless, trapped in a cycle of financial despair. Sarah's dreamed of a life where she didn't have to worry about money. She wanted to build an emergency fund, save for her daughter's college education, and maybe even take a vacation one day. More than anything, Sarah longed for financial freedom and peace of mind. Despite working 2 jobs, Sarah was barely scraping by. Her credit card debt was growing, and the interest rates were killing her. She had no idea how to budget effectively and often found herself resorting to payday loans to make ends meet. One evening, Sarah decided enough was enough. She was determined to find a way out of this financial mess. As she scrolled through personal finance blogs and forums, she stumbled upon a story that seemed eerily similar to hers. Lisa's story was a beacon of hope. She started tracking every penny she spent, learning about the snowball method for paying off debt, setting up a strict but realistic budget, and cutting unnecessary expenses. Inspired, Sarah began by listing all her debts, prioritizing them and cutting non-essential expenses. She used a free budgeting app to track her spending and put extra income towards her smallest debt. Sarah also started an emergency fund, setting aside a small amount from each paycheck. It wasn't much at first, but it gave her a sense of security she hadn't felt in years. Months turned into a year, and Sarah's financial situation improved dramatically. She paid off her credit cards, closed payday loan accounts, and her emergency fund grew. For the first time in years, Sarah felt in control of her life. Sarah's financial journey to financial freedom had been tough, but the lessons she learned were invaluable. She discovered the power of budgeting, the importance of saving, and the satisfaction of living within her means. The path to financial freedom is challenging, but it starts with a single step. Take that step today, and you might find yourself living a life free from financial worry just like Sarah. Thanks for watching.